Oh, finally!
Emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Sunday mornings on News Radio 8 to 9 a.m. Rob Pratt shows you watering recipes and
Anyway, I was joined by these two people.
Antonio's known as Pittsburgh EAS.
Know who I am.
No, we
No,
don't.
we don't.
I do.
No, we
No,
don't.
we don't.
No, we don't. No, we don't.
No.
No, we don't. Nope.
Yeah.
So what, are you some sort of stranger?
Yeah. I'm
Stranger.
Say your name.
Anyway, I am the long, actually soon becoming a blue-haired bitch ass. Known as
Oh, wait.
known
You're
as
dyeing your hair?
So what?
13.
You're dyeing your hair?
So what, are you dyeing your hair so that I can love to shag you so much? Huh? 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 Huh?
Okay, that's gonna be hilarious on people.
I know. That will be hilarious. Anyway. So yes! As for all, Kdka finally tested for once! And I know I wasn't there for the actual first one, because I was working, maybe. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Peace.